Hello, we are back with an exciting video where we pick the best 5 hair clippers out there to make your decision easier. If you want to know more about these products, head towards the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Andis 124/70. At nearly 2 pounds, you can tell this machine is of high quality. Because of its professional grade, the device can be zero gapped, which means it can shave all the way to the skin if properly set. It has a high-speed rotary motor with blade speeds exceeding 72,000 SPM and constant speed technology. In addition, by design, the unbreakable lightweight aluminum housing ensures years of dependable use. With the flick of a lever, its blades can be adjusted from size 0 to 1, delivering multiple cut lengths in one tool. And whether you choose corded or cordless operation, it provides an LED light which indicates battery power levels. Best corded, Wahl 8451. If you're looking for the best corded option on the market, consider this item. This lightweight barber clipper is ideal for clipper over comb work and is designed for traditional on-scalp tapering and fading. It's the ultimate corded clipper with high-precision zero overlap blades for speed and convenience. It features a cool-running V9000 motor that provides 50% more power than standard-grade clippers. There is also a handy variable thumb lever for adjusting the taper and texture without changing blades. It can perform smoothly, quickly, and precisely on all types of hair. And to make things even easier, this 5-star magic clip comes with all of necessary accessories, including the clipper, attachment combs, oil, cleaning brush, instructions, and a red blade guard. Best for all types, BaBylissPRO. You can't go wrong with this metal FX clipper, whether you're a beginner looking for a new look or an experienced barber looking for the best clipper. Its overall design, power, precision, and accessories set it apart from the competition. It has a high torque motor that is unusually powerful for a cordless hair clipper. The fact that this motor was designed by Ferrari is noteworthy. It has the ability to cut through all types of hair, whether wet, dry, curly, coarse, thick, or thin. It has titanium-coated blades that are sharp and designed to provide precise cuts and amazing fades. The clipper's easily accessible taper lever allows you to easily adjust the blade size. Another noteworthy feature is its sharpness, which will allow you to achieve smooth, crisp, and straight lines for your haircut. Finally, it has a powerful lithium-ion battery and comes with 8 attachment combs. Best for home, Oster Professional. This 76 is all about quality cuts, professionalism, and vintage looks in the style of traditional American barbers. Its sleek compact design fits comfortably in any hand. Weighing around 1.7 pounds, it's larger than other clippers and just over 7 inches, so you'll need a solid grip to hold this for longer periods of time. And for that, it has got an ergonomic design with textured housing that provides easy grip. Its body is made of a fall-resistant and nearly unbreakable Valix material. And as a corded hair cutter, this Oster Professional clipper comes with a long, thick 9-foot cord for added versatility. It has Oster's most powerful motor to date, a single-speed universal motor making the 76 a true king among professional heavy-duty hair clippers. Finally, for the blades, they are made of stainless steel and have been tested in extremely harsh environments to ensure durability and sharpness. They also have detachable blade sizes 0 to 1 that can cut through wet and dry hair with ease. Best convenient, Remington HC 4250. This is all about ease of use. It is designed to cut quickly, easily, and precisely every time. For even cutting, the clipper's extra-wide curved blade follows the contours on your head. Because it has an ergonomic design, it will fit comfortably in your hand, and the curved blade will work with the natural shape of your head to make self-haircuts more comfortable and precise. Its precision-ground blades cut through even the thickest hair with ease, preventing pulling and snagging. Finally, its included advanced lithium power battery provides 40 minutes of runtime after a 4-hour charge. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.